Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert your XRP to USDT in Binance. It's an easy process, but you must have a Binance account. And if you do not have a Binance account, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, all you need to do is simply head over to the wallet section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once there, you're going to be dropped at the overview where you simply which contains all your crypto and all the accounts therein. And with this information, you could simply scroll to the accounts or the wallets that contains your crypto. So once you found it, simply head over to the home section, select the convert icon, which is just here. And once you've selected the convert icon, click on the spot wallet option, select funding wallets. Once you've done this, click on the wallets, click on Ripple, and simply select the USDT. Once you've selected USDT, click on Max and click on Preview Conversion and click on Convert. By doing so, we've successfully converted our XRP to USDT. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.